In today's video, I'll cover 8 ways for you to overcome your poverty programming. Hi, this is Salimah of SalimahHaji.com, and if you're looking to build a life in alignment with your soul, then you're in the right place. So I wanted to make this video today because many of us have been programmed to have scarcity thinking, and we've been programmed by our community, our society, our loved ones, and we don't realize that most of our decisions are made based on those programmings, and they cause us to be fearful of the financial world and to be misinformed about the financial world. So I wanted to make this video to bring that to your awareness so you can start changing your poverty programming, because you were not meant to live a scarce life on this earth. Abundance is our birthright, so we're supposed to be tapping into the abundance that's all around us, and our families deserve better than scarcity. So let me give you 8 ways for you to overcome the poverty programming. Number 1 is become aware that based on where you grew up, meaning your family, your society that you grew up in, the culture that you were around, the teachers that you were around, whoever else that you were around, your loved ones, your friends, have caused you to have beliefs, thoughts that are programmed to lead you to scarcity. Because when you were little, you were exposed to these beliefs and proofs, and you made up beliefs based on what you were experiencing as a child. So now that you're an adult, that has become part of your programming, and every decision you make is based on those programs that automatically run. So that is why 2 people will make totally different decision when they're given a situation. But know that if it's not serving you, those beliefs are not serving you, you living a scarce life, you living a miserable life, fearful life, it's not how you're supposed to live. So be aware of those thoughts, beliefs, identities that lead to you feeling fearful of your finances, and then it leads to creating habits, behavior, actions from that fear, and then it leads to your destiny. So make sure you are aware of those thoughts that and beliefs that are part of your program, and realize that they don't serve you. Catch those before they manifest into your destiny. The next one is self-reflection. Realize who you really are. Who you are is a powerful soul that's here temporarily to experience abundance, because abundance, like I said, is our birthright. We're not here to live a miserable life, and you are a powerful soul that is the light that has come from your Creator, and you are abundant. You're meant to be abundant. You are love, you are peace, you are joy. You're not scarcity. So always remember that abundance is your birthright. Your true identity is that you are part of your Creator's creation, and you have the powers of your Creator. So know that. Make sure you're always aware of that. You're here for a reason. You're here to fulfill a purpose. And when you serve others, and when you fulfill your purpose and you please your Creator, abundance and money is the byproduct. It'll just flow to you. It's not supposed to be hard. The next one is question assumptions and challenge them, because there are a lot of assumptions that you have made based on your beliefs, your thoughts that are running, like I said, the programming for you. So question those assumptions that you made, challenge them, and change them if they're not leading you to fulfilling your goals and your vision and your purpose and your mission in life. If they're not serving you, they don't need to be part of your life anymore. So catch them. Catch the ones that are not leading you to have your best life, your best purposeful, fulfilling, meaningful life. The next one is seek new perspectives. Be around people who have different perspectives and see how they think and why they think that way, and adopt if it serves you, adopt those new beliefs and new thoughts and new identities in order for you to be able to fulfill your vision, mission, purpose in life. So be exposed to different perspectives, different viewpoints, different way of thinking. Know that there is a different way to live. The next one is educate yourself, and again, find proof that challenges your beliefs, and learn, seek knowledge to help you realize that your beliefs are not always true, that they create your world. So the sooner you realize that these beliefs are limiting beliefs, they're not serving you, they're not serving your higher self, you don't have to believe those things anymore. So know that you can educate yourself and challenge those beliefs and change them, because you'll find proof that those beliefs are not serving you. And if that is the case, then you can change them. Your brain is very elastic. It can change. It can form new pathways. So you can always change your life based on your identity, beliefs, thoughts, which then lead to your action, behavior, words, feelings, habits, and destiny. The next one is practice critical thinking and analyze and evaluate the source where your beliefs came from, because most of those beliefs are formed when you are a little kid, when you are 7 years old. So remember that you may not have had the full picture. You may have made assumptions at that point. So like I said, any belief that's not serving you to live your highest life as a higher self, as a soul that's here to fulfill a purpose, you don't need to have that as part of your identity, part of your belief, part of your thoughts, because they will lead to a life that you don't want. The next one is practice mindfulness and self-awareness, and be attuned to those emotions and those thoughts that are coming up, and catch them before they go into action and feelings. Catch them and change them before they lead to your destiny and to your habits and to your character, because they will not give you the life you want. They will continue to give you scarce life. So catch them and change them. And you can practice mindfulness by doing meditation, journaling, spending time alone out in nature. Spend time in silence, because that's when you'll be able to catch those thoughts, the thinking that doesn't serve you. You'll be able to catch those. If you are distracted and you are in a lot of noise, it will be hard to catch those. You will just blindly be going with the programming. So make sure you spend some time in the quiet. It's very important. And the next one is take action, proactive action to change those beliefs. Like I said, you'll find proof based on all those other steps. You'll find proof that then you'll know which identity, beliefs, thoughts, which are leading to your feelings, actions, personality, character, habits are not serving you, and you can change those, because you will find proof. You'll find other people who don't have those similar beliefs. And if you want your life of your dreams, purposeful, fulfilling life, then you can change that. You can change your limiting beliefs to the ones that are empowering and to the ones that serve you. And make sure you are patient, because beliefs that have been part of your life for a long, long time are not going to change quickly. So have patience, have self-compassion, have self-love. Give yourself time as you're working on that. And know that change is never linear. So keep working on it, and you will get to a point where these new beliefs that are serving you will become part of your life, and they will become part of your purposeful life and abundant life. So I hope this video served you. Please subscribe. I release videos every Wednesday, so you can be notified, and it will help me serve more people. And let me quickly go over the 8 ways again for you to change the programming trap that keeps you poor. Number 1, be aware of your thoughts, identities, feelings that are leading you to a life that you don't desire. Number 2, make sure you know who you are, where you've come from. Have some self-reflection, because who you are is a powerful soul that is here to fulfill a purpose, and you're made perfectly for that. So watch your identity, because that is your true identity. Your true essence is that you're a soul with a body that's here to fulfill a purpose right now, and you're perfectly made for that purpose, and you're meant to live an abundant life, because that is your birthright. The next one is question assumptions that you have made in the past. Challenge them, because like I said, most of your beliefs and identity were formed when you were 7 years old. So challenge those if they're not serving you to fulfill your goals, your vision, your purpose, and your mission in life. Next one is seek new perspectives. Find people that have different thinking, different viewpoints, and talk to them. Find out how they think. Find out how they grew up. Find out what can serve you from their viewpoint, and change your beliefs if they're not serving you, if they're limiting you. Next one is educate yourself and continue to challenge those beliefs. Find proof that are against the beliefs that you have, and you will find them. If they're limiting beliefs, you will find them. The next one is practice critical thinking. Analyze and evaluate everything that you believe currently, and see if that is really true, or can you find proof otherwise that's opposite of it. Next one is spend some time in the quiet and practice mindfulness and self-awareness, because when you're attuned to your emotions and your feelings and your thoughts, you'll be able to catch them before they lead you into taking action and forming habits, and eventually forming your destiny from those limiting beliefs that don't serve you, and having a life that you don't want. And then take action to change your beliefs so that you can have a life that you want. So change all the limiting beliefs that don't serve you, and you can have your life according to the new beliefs that you will then adopt. And be patient and have self-compassion and love, because it's not going to be instantly changed. All the limiting beliefs will not be gone in an instant. Patience is required. Self-compassion and self-love is required. I hope this video served you. Please share it with anybody else who needs to hear this message. I'm sending you love, and I believe in you. Thank you for watching.